Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Robin here. Welcome to week number 6 of the dividend investing case study on my channel. A lot of stuff to cover this week, so I'm going to try and go over this stuff really quickly. And before we jump into my stocks, I want to give you guys a quick little announcement that my channel is approaching 100 subscribers. So I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. Thank you for everybody who watches these videos. Thank you for everybody who comments, and thank you guys for the support. I very much appreciate it. In order to celebrate that, I wanted to do an Amazon gift card giveaway for the channel. I'm thinking I'm going to do these a little bit, maybe every other week kind of thing. I don't know. We'll see how things go. But I was trying to think of a way to kind of give back to you guys, to thank you guys for helping me, watching my content and stuff like that. I wanted to maybe give away stocks, but I'm not too sure how I would do that. Like if there's a platform I could do that. So I figured the next best thing I could do is give away like a gift card on Amazon, and then you guys could use it to buy whatever you guys need and then save the money, or take that money and the difference and invest it or something like that. Probably be the easiest way to do it until we figure out a better solution in the future. So the way it's going to work is all you guys need to do is you guys need to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. And what I'll do is next week when I do the week 7 update for the dividend investing case study, I'll use like a random comment picker that checks to see who subscribed and who commented on the channel, and I'll just pick somebody there and we'll do the draw in that video, and then I'll get some contact info from you guys, and then I'll send you guys a gift card. It'll be a $25 Amazon gift card. I think that's something that pretty much everybody uses is Amazon, so I think that's a pretty good prize to give away. So if you guys want, make sure to subscribe and comment on this video if you want to be picked, because this is the video where I'm going to pick the comments from, just so you guys know. Alright, so let's get into our dividend investing case study week number 6. So if you guys don't know, this dividend investing case study is my journey from $0 to 6 figures with a 100% dividend investing portfolio. I'm using Wealthsimple, which is a stock/ETF trading app here. You can see here, this is my Wealthsimple trade account. Today we have a total of $636 Canadian. We are up $2.42. A lot of stuff's been going on. I'm sure you guys heard of the coronavirus, that big thing going on and stuff like that. So stocks are kind of up and down right now. Most of my stocks haven't been affected. However, some of my emerging stock ETFs have taken a bit of a dip, but none of those are really in here. So we really haven't noticed too much going on with this portfolio. So that's pretty good so far. Other than that, we're putting $100. We started with $100 a week, and we're up to $110 for this month. Every month we increase that by $10. So for February, we're putting $110 in, and I'm just going to go over our stats here really quickly. So over the course of 1 week, we are down $4 or $5 roughly. Over the course of 1 month, we are up $369, and over the course of 3 months, we are up $425. So we're still up about $4 bucks-ish. So pretty good at the end of the day. And here are our holdings. We have Shaw Communications, $25 Canadian. This is a Canadian-based dividend fund. We have VDY, VYMI, XHD, and XRE. So Canadian dividend fund. This is our REIT, our real estate investment. We have this is our Canadian high dividend yield. This is our international one, and this is our US high dividend yield. So this is all high dividend yield stocks and ETFs. That's the main purpose of this portfolio. And I'm thinking next week, maybe when we do our next stock pick, I'm gonna let you guys pick the stock. But I'll let you guys know how that goes in the future, because I want to kind of encourage you guys to take part in these videos and helping me build this portfolio. But today we're just going to be expanding on what we already have. So last week we bought. I'm trying to think about what we bought last week. I think we bought the US fund. So it was this XHD. This U.S. High Dividend Yield Equity Index Canadian Hedge Fund. We bought this last week, so we don't need to buy that. I'm just going to pick something we already have and kind of expand upon it. So I'm going to pick, I think, I might go with XRE this week. And also, we did get our first dividend as well. Actually, you can see the international stock has actually went down quite a bit. You can see, look at that nice little nosedive right there. That's awesome. This is why you diversify, guys, because when things like this happen, our whole fund doesn't go down. Just some of it does, and other things go up, right? So it kind of balances it out. But before we pick our stock, I'm going to go over our dividends we got. So if I go into my activity here, we can see that we got our first dividend from XRE. Once again, this is our REIT, our Canadian REIT. We got our first dividend of 44 cents. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot of money. But what I wanted to do to kind of show you guys how cool this is and how dividends, really start to add up over time, is I went to Google earlier And I researched how much an average cup of coffee costs if you make it from home, and they say it costs between 16 to 18 cents. So got my nice big cup of coffee here. So our dividend fund basically paid for 2 cups of coffee. So I can drink 2 cups of coffee today. I'm not going to drink 2 cups of coffee because it's a big cup, but maybe over the course of, I usually drink 1 cup of coffee a day. So we now have 2 days worth of free coffee for the rest of our life, essentially, with this fund. How cool is that, guys? That is super cool. So that's why I wanted to show you guys the power of dividends and stuff like that. So that's why I'm building this portfolio, okay? So it's pretty cool. So I just want to show you guys. I know it's silly. I know it's 40 cents is nothing, but it does add up over time, guys. It really does. So today we're actually going to be putting more money back into XRE. This is a fund I haven't put too much in. I've been kind of putting a little bit of extra money we have in XRE, but I think I'm just going to dump it all in this week, and then next week maybe we'll pick our international fund or something like that. We'll see where the international fund goes, because we could buy it now that it's low priced, but it might go lower. So I'm going to wait on that. We're going to see how things go, and then next week we're going to buy probably this VYMI. This is this the international one? I think they're both international. Maybe this is US stocks. Yeah, this is no, this is Canadian. This is the Canadian one. Okay, sorry guys, I'm getting my ETFs confused. But it looks like most things actually have went down across the board from the corona outbreak. So, even our Shaw Communication stocks have went down actually a little bit, which is Canadian based. So kind of interesting, but looks like everything overall is kind of going down, but some things aren't, right? Like some things aren't going down. So let's go with XRE here. It is worth $20 a share. It's up 16 cents. I'm going to pick probably, we have 117. I don't know how many shares we can buy. Let's just do a test. How much would 6 shares cost? 122. So we can get 5 shares. So we got to exit out of that screen, and we'll grab 5 shares. And that leaves us with 102. I don't think we can buy anything else with that. So continue with that, and then that'll buy that. Wealthsimple will buy that once we hit 9:30. It's actually almost 9:30 right now, in like 10-15 minutes. As you guys know, I tend to do these videos in the morning. So that's going to buy through, and we now have 5 more shares of that. And then next week we will move from there. And I don't think we can buy anything with $9, so we're not going to invest into anything right now. Usually what I do is anything extra, we kind of just add to our portfolio to build it from there. So we have XRE we just bought, which makes up about 31% of our portfolio. So this is a fund I really want to get into because I don't have any like real estate invested anywhere else. So this is a fund I do want to build up, and it's easy to buy the shares at $20 a share. And that dividend yield was I brought this up here because I want to look at the dividend yield. The actual dividend yield was 0.06. So we got 6 cents per share on that last dividend distribution. Apart from other dividends, I don't think we have anything coming up soon. I don't know if it's the end of March where most of these dividends pay. Usually it's the end of March that some of these dividends pay. So again, we're not going to have much coming in February. At the end of February, we'll have a couple going in. Like I know we'll have the Shaw Communications one. Then XRE will pay out once again. But I don't know any other ones until probably the end of March that will be coming up. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to talk about this really quickly. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates. I got a lot of updates. I think we're on week 6, right? I said. So if you guys want to catch the older updates, I'll link to them in the description of this video. I'll link to the whole playlist. You guys can binge watch it if you want. It's up to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys want to be entered into the draw, be sure to subscribe and comment on this video. Otherwise, you guys won't get picked. So I just wanted to stick that in there really well, just to remind you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later, and take care.